Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your personal insurance with Farmers Insurance detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current insurance policies. Gather your existing insurance documentation and review each policy. Identify any gaps in coverage or areas for improvement. Research the types of personal insurance offered by Farmers Insurance. This includes auto, home, renters, and life insurance options. Visit the Farmers Insurance website or local agency for detailed information. Consider your personal needs and lifestyle when evaluating your options. Create a list of questions or concerns regarding your current coverage. Contact a Farmers Insurance agent to discuss your specific situation. Schedule an appointment for a personalized consultation. During the meeting, share your coverage gaps and concerns. Ask about policy options that could better suit your needs. Request quotes for different coverage levels and types. Compare these quotes to your current policies to evaluate cost effectiveness. Take notes on the advantages and disadvantages of each option. Ask the agent for insights into any discounts you may qualify for. Inquire about bundling options if you need multiple policies. Once you understand your options, determine which policy aligns best with your needs. Review the policy details thoroughly before making a decision. Confirm coverage limits and deductibles to ensure they meet your expectations. Once you choose a policy, complete any necessary paperwork with your agent. Ask about the claims process and customer support availability. After finalizing your policy, set reminders for future reviews. Regularly reassess your insurance coverage to ensure it fits your evolving needs. Stay informed about any changes in policy terms or local insurance regulations. By following these steps, you can effectively fix your personal insurance with Farmers Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.